Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Razrina taking class 2 subject English. Word science sentences already we have discussed. Word science sentences. What is a word, children? Group of letters put together. Group of letters that form a meaningful word is a word. Group of letters put together in a order. Group of letters put together in a order that gives a meaningful word. Now what is this? Fill is one word, the is one word, blanks are one word. So these all are letters. F, I, L, L, fill is all. In fill, how many letters we have? 4 letters. So 4 letters put together in a order to give a meaningful word. What is a sentence? These all are sentences, children. Words put together. Words put together. It, one word. Lives, one word. In, one word. Pound, one word. All these words put together to form a correct sentence. So these are fill in the blanks. Page number 14. Today we will discuss page number 14, A and B bit. A and B bit. You will do in textbook. You will do it in textbook, and your homework is page number 14, A bit. Only this A bit you will write in your class. In textbook you will do both. In classwork you will write only A bit. Is it clear, children? In textbook you copy A and B. In classwork you will write only A bit. Now come on, read. Fill in the blanks. You can see your textbook page number 14. Open your grammar textbook page number 14, children. You can see few pictures here. Fill in the blanks. Page number 14, pictures. Come on, say me which picture is this. First one is giraffe. Second one, duck. Then frog, bear, kitten. Once again, giraffe, duck, frog, bear, kitten. These we should write these 5 animals' names in these dashes given below. Read the sentence and write the correct answer. Now see, it lives in a pond. We have seen 5 animals here. Which animal live in a pond? Giraffe will live in pond. Teddy bear will live in pond. Bear will live in pond. Kitten will live in pond. No. We can see duck and frog lives in a pond. Yes, duck lives in a pond. Frogs lives in pond in rainy season. So we can see many frogs in rainy season. So here it lives in a pond. So what you will write here? Duck. 4 dashes are given, children, in your textbook also. In one dash write one letter. 4 dashes are given. In one dash write one letter very neatly. D U C K, duck. Say it lives in a pond. Which animal is the duck? It lives in a pond. Which animal is the duck? Second one, it is the baby of a cat. Cat's baby is known as what? Yes, kitten. Small babies, cats babies are known as kitten. Spelling K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Say K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. It is the B-A-B-Y, baby of a cat. Kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Third one, I have a very long neck. Which animal has a long neck? This is our neck, children. How is our neck? Very small, no? But one animal neck will be very big, long. Which animal neck? Giraffe. G-I, say G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. You can see in the picture also here, children. How is the neck of giraffe? Very long neck. So I have a V-E-R-Y, very, L-O-N-G, long, N-E-C-K, neck. I have a very long neck. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Third one, I love to eat honey. Which animal like to eat honey? H-O-N-E-Y, honey. Which animal like to eat honey? Bear. Say B-E-A-R, bear. Say which animal likes to eat honey? B-E-A-R, bear. It croaks in the rainy season. season. It makes sound in the rainy season. You can hear frogs making sound. Yes. Which animal will make sound in rainy season? Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Is it clear, children? You should write this in your textbook very neatly and also in classwork. A bit you will write both in textbook and classwork. Now go to the next one, children. We read each group of words. Color the box blue if it is a sentence. Come on, say me now. What is a sentence? A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, and all the words put in a sentence should be in a correct order. Then only it is a meaningful sentence. Otherwise, if the sentence words are not put in a order, it won't give any sense, it won't give any meaning. Now we should, here 8 sentences are given. In these 8 sentences, we should color the boxes given. These are the boxes given here, children. We should color these boxes if the sentence is correct with blue color. Which color we should color? Color it with blue color pencil. Color the box blue if it is a sentence. First one, say, a cartoon and watching I. Is it a correct sentence? A cartoon, C-A-R-T-O-O-N, cartoon, and W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, watching I. Is it a correct sentence? A cartoon and watching I. Say the correct sentence for this. These are the words, cartoon, am, watching. These are the words, but they are not put in correct order. Now you see me the correct sentence. I am watching a cartoon. How we will say the sentence? I am watching cartoon. So this is not a correct sentence. We won't color first box. Now go to second sentence. A bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers. Bunch means what? 3 and 4 put together. 3 and 4 flowers put together and make a bunch. A bunch of flowers. Is it a correct sentence? Sentence is correct. A bunch of flowers. Sentence is correct. But a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Here no capital letter, no full stop. So it is not a correct sentence. Understood, children? A sentence always begins with a capital letter and it should end with a full stop. In this sentence, no capital letter is given, no full stop is given. So we won't color box 2. Go to third one. You can draw well. When you do drawing, if you do well, neatly, perfectly, what teacher will say you, what parents say, okay, your drawing is very good, you are drawing well. So, you can draw well. It is a correct sentence. Then first letter, yes, capital Y is there. At the end of the sentence, full stop is there. Then it is a correct sentence. A sentence should have a meaningful sense, and also it should begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So you can draw well is a correct sentence. First letter is capital, at the end of the sentence full stop is there. So we will color this box blue. Neatly do it, children. Color this box blue. Then fourth one, tomorrow is a holiday. Yes, correct sentence. See the first letter, T. Yes, first letter capital T is there. At the end of the sentence, what should be there? Full stop. Yes, we have capital letter and also full stop. So it is a correct sentence. So box 4 also we will color. Now move to the fifth one. A beautiful picture. A sentence is correct, but it should begin with a capital letter and it should end with a full stop. Here they gave small letter. Is it correct? No, a sentence should always begin with capital letter. So here capital A should come. They gave full stop, but here small a is given. So this is a wrong sentence. We won't color box number 5. Sixth one, Joe plays in the park every day. You all go to play in park? Yes. So Joe plays in the park every day. Is it a correct sentence? Yes, sentence is correct. Now check. First letter J is capital. At the end of the sentence also we have a full stop. At the end of the sentence we have a full stop. So this is a correct sentence. Joe plays in the park every day. So box number 6 we will color. Do it neatly, children. You should cover full box. You should color full box with blue color pencil. Next one, 7th. Blue the sky. Is it correct? Sentence is correct here. Blue the sky. No. The sky is blue should come. They gave wrong sentence, and also the first letter is not capital, and at the end of the sentence no full stop is there. So this is wrong sentence. We won't color box number 7. Now 8th one. A cow gives us milk. Is it correct or not? Yes, cow gives us milk. And sentence, check the sentence. A, first letter A is capital. Yes, correct. End of the sentence what should be there? Full stop. Yes, correct. So box number 8 also you will correct, because it is a correct sentence. Now see how many boxes we colored blue? 4 boxes. That means 4 sentences are correct in this bit number B. 4 sentences are wrong. Is it clear, children? Always a sentence should begin with capital letter and it should end with a full stop. Read the sentences now, children. A, cartoon am watching. Cartoon spelling C-A-R-T-O-O-N. Cartoon. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. Watching. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. You should be able to read all the words, children. Read. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flask. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flask. D-R-A-W. Draw. D-R-A-W. Draw. W-E-L-L. Well. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Tomorrow. Is A. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y. Holiday. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y. Holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. A. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. Beautiful picture. J-O-E. Joe. P-L-A-Y-S. Place. In the P-A-R-K. Park. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. D-A-Y. Day. Every day. B-L-U-E. Blue. T-H-E. The. S-K-Y. Sky. C-O-W. Cow. G-I-V-E-S. Gives. M-I-L-K. Milk. Try to read each and every sentence, children. Put your finger, spell and read. Now move to the next paper. Finish these 2, children. Complete these 2 A and B in your textbook. Finish A and B in your textbook. Move to the next one, page number 15. Page number 15. Now we will learn what is a sentence, and when the sentence is asked like a question, it is known as when the sentence is like a question, then we will put at the end question mark. Now these are all our sentences. Yes, simple sentences. What we are ending with? We are starting with capital letter and we are ending with full stop. Suppose if it is like asking something to someone, then it is a question mark. If somebody asks you what is your name, so is it a question or answer? Yes, question. What is your name? It is a question. Then you will give answer. My name is. Yes. So when somebody is asking question, if the sentence is like a question, you will put at the end question mark. Yes, what you will put at the end? Question mark. This is the question mark, no, children? Yes, at the end we will put question mark. If it is a normal sentence, we will put a full stop. If it is like asking question, then we will put a question mark. Read here, children. In blue boxes given, we will read. A sentence always tells us something. Sentence always tells us something. In this sentence, it is the baby of a cat. So always a sentence says something. It gives some meaning to you. Sentence means all the words put together in order so that it will give a meaningful word. Now tomorrow is a holiday. If somebody says tomorrow is a holiday, can you understand the sentence? Yes, we can understand the sentence. So a sentence always begins with capital and ends with a full stop. If somebody is asking you question, if a sentence is like question, see second one, a sentence which asks something is called a question. And the sentence, normal sentence, it will end with a full stop. But if the sentence is like asking question, it will end with full question mark. Is it clear? If it is a normal sentence, we will put a full stop. If it is like asking question, then it will end with question mark. Then it will end with question mark. Is it clear, children? You should read these two boxes also. A sentence tells us something, it ends with a full stop. A sentence tells you something and it ends with a full stop. Second one, a sentence which asks something. A sentence which asks something like how old are you? What your mummy do? Where you stay? Yes, all these are questions. Which subject you like the most? When you will go to school? What you brought for breakfast? What you have for lunch? So all these like asking questions. So these sentences will end with a question mark. The sentence will end with a question mark. If it is normal sentence, then it will end with a full stop. If it is like asking question, then it will end with a question mark. Is it clear, children? Read these two also and copy these two very neatly in your test book. A bit, B bit, do it in test book, and also A bit you will write in your classwork. See, I gave you homework. Lesson 1, page number 14, A bit in classwork. You should write A bit in classwork, children. These two bits you complete in your test book very neatly and color the boxes. Which sentence is correct? You color the boxes blue. Color the boxes blue and complete your paper. Next class this should be completed, children. Do your work very neatly. Thank you.